Hello, this video is about Affordable Care Act reporting, preparing for Year 2. Congratulations! You made it through the first year of ACA reporting. Now what? I will cover the following topics in this video. A review of the first year of Affordable Care Act reporting, the number 1 frequently asked question for tax year 2015 reporting, a review of the tax year 2015 deadlines, 10 validation errors, what you should be doing now to prepare for tax year 2016 reporting, tax year 2016 deadlines, and additional information that you can expect from Greatland in the coming months. Thank you to everyone who completed our short survey. We received more than 10,000 reviews. Check those comments out at yearlyreviews.greatland.com. Also, in the first year of mandatory ACA reporting, more than 3 million 1095 forms were filed electronically with Greatland. The most common question we received for Year 1 reporting was, if an employee waives coverage from an applicable large employer or ALE, how should the ALE report this scenario on lines 14 through 16 on Form 1095-C? The answer to this question is, if an employee waives coverage, the ALE still reports the offer of coverage on line 14, along with the employee's share of lowest cost monthly premium for self-only minimum value coverage on line 15. If a safe harbor code applies for line 16, enter the applicable code. Otherwise, line 16 may be left blank. Year 1 reporting is not over yet. Although recipient copies were due to be mailed by March 31, 2016, you may still need to file to the IRS. If you are filing on paper, the deadline to file to the IRS is May 31, 2016. If you are filing electronically, you have until June 30, 2016 to submit your 1095s to IRS. Also, you may need to file corrections. If you filed your 1095s electronically through Yearly, Greatland will email you if you received a rejection or need to file a correction. Let's talk a little bit more about corrections. The number 1 reason for requiring a correction is due to a taxpayer identification number or TIN validation error. This message indicates that the IRS found a name TIN combination entered on a 1095 that does not match IRS records. This name TIN combination could be for the responsible individual on Form 1095-B, the employee on Form 1095-C, or any of the covered individuals on either form. Double check your records, and if there is a mistake, file a correction. Now let's move on to recommendations to make Year 2 reporting easier. First, if you did correct information due to a TIN validation error from IRS during Year 1 reporting, make sure that you update your records in all systems. This includes payroll, HR, IT, and any other systems where names and TINs are stored. By doing so, it will help to avoid duplicating the error in Year 2. The employee counts on page 2 of Form 1094-C can be time-consuming and labor-intensive to calculate. However, for column C, total employee count for ALE member, you may be able to obtain the employee counts for some months from your payroll department. IRS offers several days which an employer can choose to calculate the total employee count for ALE member. If you choose to calculate the employee count on the 12th day of each month, your payroll department may already be conducting this count for 941 reporting for 4 months out of the year. Plan start month on Form 1095-C was optional for 2015. Expect that this field will be mandatory for tax year 2016 reporting. In this field, you will need to enter the 2-digit number 01 through 12, indicating the month during which the plan year begins of the health plan that is offered to the employee. For example, if the plan year begins in March, enter 03. If there is no health plan under which coverage is offered to the employee, enter 00. Although IRS provided an automatic extension for filing 1095s for tax year 2015 reporting, the deadlines for tax year 2016 reporting are as follows. 1095 copies will need to be provided to employees and recipients by January 31st, 2017. February 28th, 2017 is the due date you will need to submit your 1095s to IRS if you choose to file on paper. And March 31st, 2017 is the due date for filing to IRS electronically. Greatland staff of specially trained account managers are standing by to provide you with excellent ACA reporting information. Renew your subscription in June and you will gain access to exclusive webinars, monthly Affordable Care Act news articles, and more for the remainder of the year. As IRS finalizes 2016 reporting material, check out aca.greatland.com for updated information. Thank you.